Welcome to San Diego's Choice Overhead Garage Door Service Company. Professional, courteous, highly trained garage door technicians serving the entire San Diego metropolitan area. Whether it be garage door repair, broken springs, or new garage doors and openers, we provide the highest quality name brand products at the lowest prices. Call us today and let us show you why we are San Diego's choice for overhead garage door service.